if you break a bolt off and there's still a stud sticking out where you can still grab it, I'll show you a few techniques to be able to get that out.
Here's the other piece of that bolt. It's broken off, and we still have an opportunity to grab it if we got the right tool. Over here, we have a bigger stud that's broken off that will extract as well.
I've got two tools that work pretty good at it. This is like a chuck that goes in reverse and will pull out those studs. And this one kind of has like a little reverse tornado in there that when you bring it into reverse, it'll grab that and pull it out. While I've got some space to work, you take this and you put it over the broken stud, then you spin these two opposing. Tighten it up with the wrench, it gets tighter in reverse. The harder you go in reverse, the tighter it gets until it extracts it. To release the stud, you're gonna have to take a wrench and then break it forward instead of reverse. I'll use this one on the longer stud and this one on the shorter stud.
I'll place this over the stud and then tighten it up. Usually tighten it up by hand until it's nice and snug. Place the 3/8 inch wrench on. I'll tighten it up, and I can already start to feel that stud move. The stud is bent, so I can see everything start to move all over the place, but at least it's coming out. In fact, it's so loose, I can go ahead and just take it out by hand. With it so loose, you wonder why it broke when I tried to pull it out with a wrench. Here it comes. This is a good thing when these things extract out. There we go. It's out, and it doesn't look like there's any damage to the hole, which is a good thing.
To remove the stud, put it forward, put a wrench on the tool, turn the wrench to loosen it. Now we can release the broken stud. The next one we're going to use is a little bit easier to use. It's smaller and will get in tighter spots. The only downfall is you have to depend upon it grabbing just on the end, not the entire side of the bolt. Oftentimes you've got to tap it to make it dig in, and then ease into it, tap a little bit more, ease in until you can completely grab it.
Start by sliding it on and just pulling it into reverse to see if we can grab, and we've got some grip. In fact, I can feel so much grip, it's actually starting to extract just like this without all the wrench and the fuss. I can assure you it's never this easy, but I'll take it when we can get it. I can actually start to spin this one all the way out by hand.
If you've got broken off studs, here's a couple options you can try.